Hey my loves, welcome back for another video. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley and today we're going burgundy. So this video comes courtesy of Nadula. They sent over a beautiful package and included this cute little headband, your wig caps, and of course your wig. And of course they have it protected so it's not, getting any craziness going on through shipping and handling. And I want you guys to get a load of how beautiful this hair is. The texture is everything, the color is everything, the sheen, everything about it is so beautiful. So this is a 4x4 closure fake scalp lace wig. I chose her in the Brazilian straight texture, and of course when you go on the website, this one comes in a few different colors. I believe it comes in a highlight, like a blonde highlight, and then it comes in this color, and then it also comes in the 99J color, as well as a orange. So you definitely have options, and you can also choose your length. I have the link in the description box for you guys to check out if you're interested. But for here, we're going to go ahead and install. Now, because this is a center part wig, it's going to be super simple and easy to install. The wig itself fits super snug, but if you want to go in and add elastic, you can make it glueless. Here's a look at what the back of the hair looks like without any styling to it. As I said, the color is so beautiful and vibrant. You can't help but get compliments when you're out in public. I've worn it a couple of days. Tomorrow's Halloween and I plan on wearing it again tomorrow. Even though it's not necessarily a Halloween wig, I just think it's going to look so good tomorrow especially. I'm going to go ahead and start the install process. Again, this is going to be like a simple two-step install because number one, the color is already set, it's already straight, and then it also has that fake scalp, so there's not really much you'll need to do. So it's definitely super beginner friendly. I'm just going in fairly heavy-handed with the wax stick. I want everything to lay down really nicely. I want it to be super flat, no flyaways, and just everything looks super nice. So after I add the wax, I like to go ahead and brush the hair in the direction I want it to go and make sure that everything is exactly the way it needs to be. And then I'm gonna go in with the electric hot comb, and I do a lot of heat passes, and yes, it was really hot. Be very careful. But I definitely like to take my time and do as many heat passes just to get the crown of the head super flat, no flyaways, and make sure everything is looking good. Also, whenever you're doing a part, make sure that you leave enough hair going backwards in the back so that no tracks are showing, because that is a simple and easy mistake to make. You want every part of the hair to kind of come forward, and then you end up skimping on the back and then tracks are showing. Something just to be, a heads up or be wary about. Make sure that no tracks are showing ever, because you never want to get clocked. Next up, I'm going to add my heat protectant, work that in really good, and then we're going to go in and press out the hair. I'm using my Babyliss flat iron, which is a must-have. I absolutely love all of my Babyliss flat irons, and I'll have this one linked in the description box. I'm going to do one side on camera and then the opposite side off camera. Now the hair is looking super beautiful, but of course don't forget to flat iron the back. Oftentimes we definitely forget to get the back, especially the part that's on your head. Sometimes you'll have a flawless silk press going on and you don't even realize on the back it's still crinkly and stuff. So just a reminder, don't forget the back. Now that we're done pretty much prepping the wig from start to finish, I'm gonna go ahead and install. As you guys can see, they left a little piece of the closure, like the lace just bare without that fake scalp on it. This is perfect so that you can go ahead and bond the wig down. I'm going to be using my gel as a pretty much bond. It's a non-glue, glueless adhesive, but it's going to do the trick to keep the wig in place, make it not slide back. And as long as you wear your bonnet and your scarf and protect your hair in the shower, this will stay bonded down for maybe a good 2 to 3 days, of course, if you don't sweat. And if it does, it's simple and easy to apply like on a daily basis. And then I'm going to add a little bit of a holding spray on top of that and blow dry it until it is bonded down. Fast forward about a week or two later. So if you guys watched my last couple of videos, you guys know I had a huge issue where I lost tons and tons of footage, like 5 videos worth of footage, which I'm still sad and torn up about. But I was able to salvage all of the video of the unboxing of this, and you guys seen that from pretty much start till now. But I did not have the ending footage, which sucks so bad. So instead of crying about it, I went ahead and did a part 2. This is the part 2 section where I'm pretty much going to show you how I reinstall a wig that's already been installed. So you guys seen me, you know, cut off the lace. You guys seen me press out the hair. Typically I don't like install and, you know, press hair every single day, but I'll go a couple of days with that first install and style, and then from there I'll need to touch it up. In this case, I rebonded it down with the holding spray. I redid the baby hair in a different way. I'm going to add a little bit more heat protectant and straighten the hair out. I also added the concealer to the parting, and I'm going to add the powder in the front. And it's going to look so good. It's going to look like new. You can tell the wig has been worn, you know, a couple of times. And now you'll see how you can still revamp a wig sometimes without even having to wash it, especially if the wig is not too cakey. I did not have to go in and re-add the wax. The wax is still set in, so you know it's pretty much not going to be frizzy. And then I'm just going to run the flat iron through the ends, and you pretty much have a good install. Okay guys, so this is the finished results. I absolutely love this wig. This color, this 99J beautiful reddish burgundy color, is definitely my jam, especially around this time where it starts to get a little bit cold. Mainly for the fall and winter seasons, I feel like I always pop out with this color. Now this is obviously a year-round color, and if it looks good on you, you can wear it whenever. I just feel like I'm more likely to crave this color when it comes to this time of year. So as I mentioned in the video, I did film this video already, and then I lost half the footage. I think I'm going to be able to get the rest of the footage back tomorrow, but I really wanted this video to go up tonight, so that way, or I can edit it tonight so it can go up in the morning. So I just went ahead and gave you pretty much a rundown of the beginning of the unboxing and all that, and then it kind of works out better because you guys can see after a few days what the hair is going to look like. I've been wearing this hair all this weekend, and of course you guys know when it's bath time, when you're cooking, when you're doing, you know, homework, things like this, the wig automatically goes up into like a bun or a ponytail. Now I've been trying to wear these, which are like satin silk type of scrunchies. I have a huge bag of them, and I'll actually link them in the description box because these have been my go-to. I feel like because I'm a mommy 24/7, I don't really take the time to like accessorize the way I did pre-babies, but this is kind of one of those ways where I'll just like pop out with a pink one, especially if I had like dark hair, and it's kind of a way to kind of, you know, accessorize a little bit. And typically I'll just like wear it around my wrist when I leave out, and by the end of the day the hair will end up in a pony, and I kind of coordinate a little bit. So I love these, and this bag was super affordable on Amazon, so I'll have them linked in the description box. Also, my Amazon store is linked always in the description box, so I'm gonna take the time to update that before this video goes up. That way you can always go to my Amazon store and find all the go-to stuff. Now this is a closure wig, but the closure literally is right here. So literally there's just enough hair to cover the parting. This is gonna make it simple and easy for my beginners out there who don't really know how to bond down or install a wig, because you honestly don't have to bond it down. I chose to do so simply because I kind of wanted to do a little bit of baby hair and add something to make it a little bit more natural, and I think it's a good idea to bond it down, but again, it's just super simple and it's your preference. You can also take a product like a powder. Actually, I'm going to use something a little bit lighter. So I'm going to use this one. I kind of feel like whenever I do blonde or colored hair and I use that other one I was holding, it's just a little bit too dark. So all in all, I really love this wig. It definitely had a nice bounce and body to it straight out of the package. And because it's a closure wig, it's super simple and easy to install, pretty much fail proof. And if you need a little help, you guys are able to watch this video over and over and over to get the hang of how to install your closure wigs at home yourself. Don't forget to check out the description box for a link to this wig. I do have a coupon code for you there, so make sure you check that out to save a couple of bucks. Also, everything I used to complete this look and install the wig myself at home is all listed and linked in the description box, so you guys can purchase and follow along to this video and all my coming videos. I'm Ashley Bedeck. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!